strategies, mindset, anything that's going to help us to increase the income of our business. So there are people who have started with us without any experience and doing really well. So you are in good hands. And Elite program is newly launched just like 2 months ago. So you guys are like the priority of everyone.
We're the prototypes, are we?
No, you guys are priority because this program, Perpetual Income, has been on for 1.5 years, right? As an Elite member, the difference is you guys don't have any monthly expenses to pay. There's no need to pay any recurring costs. The ordinary member pay $47 a month. So yours is one-off, plus you get all the upgrades. So it's actually the same as the ordinary member, but just that you guys have full upgrades, no monthly recurring fees, and we get to mastermind like this. So GetResponse is an email autoresponder. Okay, so email autoresponder is very much like MailChimp, if you have heard of that. Aweber, so it's a software that helps you to automate your emails and to send out email broadcasts to all your subscribers. Okay, we can't provide a GetResponse account because it's a third-party account. It's a third-party service. So it's not part of Perpetual Income, but it's required to run Perpetual Income as an operation. So what everyone is paying for as a basic member with $47 per month is the Perpetual Income software itself. The cost that we are charging is so low that we can't cover the GetResponse fees with this $47 per month, because GetResponse fees goes up as your subscribers goes up. And honestly, GetResponse is the cheapest autoresponder that you can find, and it's one of the most reliable ones. Okay, just take it like it's the cost of running a business, like a small minimal cost that is required. So for me, for my personal autoresponder on GetResponse, I'm paying easily $2,000 to $3,000 per month. But the returns I'm getting back with using that is huge. It's more than 100 times. Let's say if we can't get this discount, right? Don't stop running the business. That's what I have to say, because this is just a small little operating cost. Honestly, once your list size grows bigger, you will realize that it's a very small operating cost to run the business. All right. So if I could get it, that's great. If I can't, then don't let that stop you. Facebook Money Machine is, if you guys haven't checked it out, it's the free way to get traffic through your Facebook group or through your own Facebook page or profile. Okay. So it's essentially you giving out free Perpetual Income accounts that are limited. All right, these accounts, they are limited, so they don't have the full features. Right, it's a teaser or a taster for someone who wants to join. And if they were to look at your Facebook profile and decide to join through that Facebook link that you're going to share, then if they were to choose to upgrade, you will get paid. Right, so far we have got the people who are more active using the social machine are the main Perpetual Income people, right? So they are the ones who are going around getting things viral, and when we have to leverage on that. So everyone has to leverage on each other to make each other's post viral, right? So far we have got the people who are more active using the social machine are the main Perpetual Income people, right? So they are the ones who are going around getting things viral, and when we have to leverage on that. So everyone has to leverage on each other to make each other's post viral, and that's what that's for. And so far we have seen some good results with that. I would say as compared to paid traffic, it's not going to be as fast. Trust me, it's going to be, in fact, a lot slower. Okay, paid traffic, you can see instant results. If you know about what API key is, it's an integration code that integrates our software with their software. So these API keys are all open source. Some other responders don't provide them because they want control, but GetResponse provide them. So we are free to use the code to integrate with our software to publish the 31 emails to you guys. All right, the 31-day follow-up emails to you guys. All right, so That's why I chose GetResponse for that particular reason. And the next reason is because it's the cheapest one. Steven raised one. So he says, I use Facebook for my other two businesses, but you get a lot of disrespect on it. Facebook will not allow you to take bad comments out. I'm so sorry to hear that. But that's the consequence of free traffic. Sometimes you get people who would write nasty stuff on your wall, but that's part of the game, right? That's why there's always a pros and cons for both, but it's free. As I mentioned, traffic is going to be the toughest part for most people because it's where you're supposed to invest in your business. Before you run traffic, you might want to check out this training called Traffic Madness. That's in the bi-weekly live training that I've done in the past. So same tab, resources, trainings. This training is called Traffic Madness, all right? And in there, you will know how well your ads are performing. Okay, so once you buy your ads, your solo ads, you will need feedback. You need to know if the seller is of good quality, if the leads are healthy, if your cost per lead is cheap. Are you getting the right cost per lead? And that is going to allow you to determine if you want to change up your landing page, you want to try out something else, and test the opt-in rates. And I've seen lots of comments myself, good and bad, right? Hate comments. So the thing is, if the system is not significant enough, no one is going to comment on it. And the reason there are comments on it means that it's been proven to work, and some people are skeptical. Of course, that means that we are getting attention, right? So if it's too small, if it's not working, no one's going to get any attention to it. So I am glad there are comments. Next thing is negative comments is going to happen no matter which product you buy. You will see them because there's this marketing tactic called negative marketing, which is something that you see very often in review videos. If you were to go to YouTube and if you search for any products review, you can find this thing called negative comment. As in, you can see negative comment marketing happening. So what I would say is, if you want to see if a comment is neutral or not, you want to see if that description in that video have another link to another offer. It's very obvious, right? So if there's another link to another offer, that's a negative marketing tactic, which is taught by a lot of marketers. So they bash any products. You can find all the good products, all the good programs out there, they'll bash it. And they'll say that it's good. They say that's bad, it's not good. And then they'll promote their own one. They say, if you want something real, check out the description, right? So negative marketing is always there. And the fact that we are getting negative marketing, that means that we are getting a lot of attention, good attention, that if someone searches our reviews, they are going to find something else and they are going to be drawn towards that other video and they might buy that person's stuff. So negative marketing is always present, and that's why I'm not affected by it at all. I personally take that as a compliment. That means that I've done something good and people are leveraging on my good traffic coming in to search to search on this program and trying to steal the traffic away to their program.